There is a moment every night when the world quietly changes. Lights dim, conversations fade, screens go dark, and without most people noticing, the body begins a transition that is both ordinary and still deeply mysterious. You lie down expecting rest, yet something far more complex begins to unfold beneath the surface of awareness. Sleep looks simple from the outside. A pause, a shutdown, a daily reset. But the strange science of why we sleep suggests something very different. What if sleep is not a break from life, but one of the most active and essential states we ever enter? What if, while everything appears still, the mind is working through memories, emotions, and hidden problems in ways we are only beginning to understand? And perhaps the most fascinating question of all, why does every living system with a brain seem to depend on it? For something so universal, sleep refuses to behave like a solved mystery. It pulls us in, slips away from full understanding, and keeps revealing new layers every time science thinks it has figured it out. When the body drifts into sleep, it does not simply power down. Instead, it begins a carefully coordinated process that affects nearly every system inside us. The heartbeat changes rhythm, breathing becomes more steady, temperature regulation shifts. Even the brain, which once seemed quiet during sleep, becomes a stage for bursts of intense activity. Some regions of the brain grow more active than when we are awake. Others slow down dramatically. It is less like shutting off a machine and more like entering a different operating mode entirely. And this is where the strangeness begins. Because if sleep were only about rest, evolution might have found a simpler way. Staying still, conserving energy, or even staying partially alert might have been enough. Yet across the natural world, sleep persists in countless forms. From humans to animals, from land to sea, the pattern repeats. Something important is happening here. One of the most widely discussed ideas in sleep science is that the brain uses sleep as a form of maintenance. Throughout the day, the mind is flooded with information, sensations, decisions, and emotional responses. Not everything can stay in its raw form. So during sleep, the brain appears to sort, organize, and sometimes even remove unnecessary connections. It is as if the mind is cleaning its own workspace, making room for what matters and letting go of what does not. Memory plays a major role in this process. Experiences from waking life do not simply disappear when we fall asleep. Instead, they are believed to be reprocessed, strengthened, or sometimes restructured. Certain memories become more stable, while others fade into the background. This may explain why sleep often feels like it reshapes our understanding of events. Problems that felt overwhelming during the day sometimes appear clearer after a night of rest. Emotional experiences can feel less intense or more integrated once we wake up. It is not magic, it is biology doing something we are only beginning to fully map. But sleep is not just about memory. There is also a growing understanding that sleep plays a role in emotional regulation. When we are awake, emotional responses can be immediate and intense. During sleep, especially in certain stages, the brain appears to revisit emotional experiences in a different chemical environment. Stress-related activity may be reduced while memory processing continues, allowing emotional weight to shift over time. This might be why lack of sleep often makes everything feel heavier. Small problems become larger. Emotional reactions become sharper. The world can feel more overwhelming not because it has changed, but because the brain has not had the chance to process and reset. And yet, even this is only part of the picture. Another layer of sleep science focuses on physical restoration. While we sleep, the body is far from idle. Cellular repair processes become more active. Growth and maintenance functions increase. Hormonal systems adjust. The immune system engages in patterns that help support overall resilience. It is as though sleep provides a protected window where the body can focus on rebuilding without the demands of constant interaction with the outside world. This is where the phrase restorative sleep begins to feel far more literal than metaphorical. But the most puzzling part is that none of these explanations alone seem to fully answer the question of why sleep is so deeply necessary. If sleep were only for memory, or only for physical repair, or only for emotional balance, perhaps we could imagine alternative systems. Yet sleep seems to serve all of these roles at once, woven together into a single state. That complexity is what keeps researchers fascinated, and the brain itself becomes even more intriguing when we look at what happens during dreams. Dreaming is one of the most curious aspects of sleep. During certain stages, the mind constructs vivid experiences that can feel entirely real while they are happening. These experiences may be fragmented, emotional, symbolic, or sometimes strangely ordinary. They often blend memories with imagination in ways that defy waking logic. Some theories suggest dreams may help the brain process emotional information in a safe environment. Others propose that dreaming supports creativity by allowing the mind to explore unusual combinations of ideas. There is also the idea that dreams are a byproduct of brain activity during memory processing, a kind of internal storytelling that emerges as the brain reorganizes itself. What makes dreams especially fascinating is not just their content, but their unpredictability. They can feel deeply personal, yet completely disconnected from daily life. They can reflect fears, hopes, or random fragments of experience, all woven into narratives that often dissolve the moment we wake. And still, they remain one of the most powerful reminders that sleep is not emptiness. It is activity hidden behind silence. At this point, it becomes difficult to think of sleep as passive. Instead, it feels more like a hidden dimension of human experience, one that operates under different rules. And yet, despite all this complexity, sleep remains fragile. Modern life often treats sleep as something optional, something that can be reduced, delayed, or sacrificed. Technology, work demands, and constant stimulation can all interfere with natural sleep patterns. Over time, this can affect mood, focus, memory, and physical health in ways that accumulate quietly. What is especially striking is how quickly the effects of disrupted sleep appear. Even short-term changes can influence attention, emotional stability, and cognitive performance. The brain seems to respond strongly when it is not given the time it needs to complete its nightly processes. This raises an important reflection. If sleep is so essential, why does it sometimes feel negotiable in daily life? Part of the answer may lie in how adaptable the human brain is. We can function under reduced sleep for periods of time, even if performance and well-being gradually decline. This adaptability may have once been useful in environments where survival depended on flexibility, but adaptability is not the same as immunity. The deeper need for sleep does not disappear just because it can be postponed. In fact, the more science learns, the more sleep appears not as a luxury, but as a foundational requirement for almost every aspect of mental and physical function. And yet, there is still so much we do not fully understand. Why do different stages of sleep exist with such precision? Why does the brain cycle through distinct patterns of activity throughout the night? Why do some species sleep in dramatically different ways, yet still show signs that sleep serves essential functions across biology? These questions continue to shape ongoing research, and each answer seems to open new layers of mystery. Here is where the story becomes even more compelling, because sleep is not just a biological process we study from the outside. It is something every person experiences, every single day, without exception. It is both universal and deeply personal. No two people experience sleep in exactly the same way. No two dreams unfold in identical patterns. Even the feeling of waking can carry subtle differences depending on rest, stress, environment, and emotional state. Sleep, in a strange way, is both shared and individual, a collective human experience that remains deeply private. And perhaps that is why it continues to captivate us. As we move toward the final thoughts, it becomes harder to ignore the deeper implication behind all of this science. Sleep may not simply be about recovery. It may be about transformation. Each night, the mind steps away from external reality and enters a state where it reorganizes itself, repairs itself, and possibly even redefines how it understands the world. You do not notice most of it. You are not meant to. But you wake up changed in small, subtle ways every time. And that raises a quiet, unsettling thought. If something so essential happens every night without awareness, how much of our inner life is shaped in places we never consciously visit? The strange science of why we sleep does not offer a single simple answer. Instead, it reveals a system that is layered, adaptive, and still partly hidden from full understanding. Sleep is restoration. Sleep is memory. Sleep is emotion. Sleep is repair. Sleep is dreaming. Sleep is mystery. And all of it happens while the world believes we are simply resting. As you think about your own sleep tonight, there is a final idea worth carrying with you. Every time you close your eyes, you are not stepping away from life. You are stepping into another essential part of it, a part that quietly shapes who you are, how you think, how you feel, and how you continue forward when morning returns. And maybe the most powerful realization is this: sleep is not the absence of experience. It is one of its deepest forms. If this exploration into the strange science of sleep sparked your curiosity, take a moment to like the video, subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the mind and life, and share your thoughts in the comments. What part of sleep do you find most fascinating or most mysterious?